Welcome to Tani's kitchen. Hello friends, today we are going to make Mumbai style cheese masala papad. Roasted papad, grated carrot, chopped cucumbers, chopped tomatoes, chopped onions and melted butter, and grated raw mangoes, and chopped coriander leaves. Shave, cheese and green chutney, garlic chutney and chaat masala. First I'll break the papad. Now let's sprinkle the butter. Spread the onions. Sprinkles on there. And sprinkle them. And sprinkle. Now the tomatoes. Now, now the grated carrot. Now let's sprinkle some. The chopped cucumbers. Now the grated raw mango. Now we'll sprinkle some green chutney. And some garlic chutney. Pinch of salt. Now sprinkle little bit of chaat masala. The save. Finally, we'll grate some cheese. Now what Mumbai style cheese masala papad is ready. It's yummy. Try this recipe at home. I like it. Give me thousands of likes and subscribe to this video and click the bell button. Bye.